38 production Tesla semi-units spotted in Nevada. The construction of the Tesla semi-factory is moving at a steady pace, but this does not mean that the initial production of the all-electric Class 8 truck has stopped. On the contrary, recent drone footage of the Tesla semi-prototype facility near Giga, Nevada, suggests that more units of the all-electric Class 8 long hauler are being produced. Tesla's factories are quite remarkable to observe, thanks in part to the company's use of innovative construction technologies that make the build-out faster and more efficient. This is perhaps one of the reasons why every Tesla factory tends to attract drone operators, many of whom have taken it upon themselves to share updates with the electric vehicle community regularly. This is true for the Tesla semi-factory, which has attracted its own advocate, Rick Zane, who has been consistently sharing updates about the facility's progress on social media. But while most of the Tesla semi-advocates' videos have been focused on the Class 8 all-electric trucks production plant, a recent update has shown that Tesla is also busy ramping the production of the vehicle's prototypes. 38 Tesla semis parked outside the prototype factory. These things are replicating themselves like a virus. I predict sometime in late 2026 they will become endemic in the USA. Then they will spread to the rest of the world, starting with Europe first, as could be seen in the Tesla Watchers video. A total of 38 Tesla semi-units that looked ready for customer delivery were parked outside in the company's existing prototype factory in recent days. While Tesla has not provided any details about the vehicles that were spotted outside the facility, speculations suggest that some of the trucks in the video might be allotted for PepsiCo. The snacks and beverage giant ordered 100 Tesla semi-units in 2017, as per comments from PepsiCo Electrification Program Manager Dejan Antunovic during the 2024 IAA Transportation Expo in Hanover, Germany last month. Tesla has delivered a total of 86 Tesla semi-units to the company so far, 15 of which are operating from the Modesto depot, 21 of which are operating from the Sacramento depot, and 50 of which are operating from the Fresno depot. Considering that 38 production Tesla semi-units were spotted in the drone operator's recent video, there seems to be a pretty good chance that PepsiCo may soon have its entire order for the Class 8 all-electric truck fulfilled. Such a scenario would be quite a milestone for the Tesla semi-program, as it would allow the electric vehicle maker to start fulfilling vehicle orders from other customers. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.